So by now you may well have got two parts of Big Maths Beat That up and running, the Learn It Challenge and the Click Challenge. And if you've got that right, the children are loving doing their Big Maths Beat That challenges every single Friday. They think it's for them. What they don't realise is it's really for us, so that we can see exactly what's going on with each child, what they can and can't do, all mapped against national curriculum age-related expectations. That's very powerful information. Of course, where it takes us now is, what about our Monday to Friday delivery? What about our actual teaching? And it's very useful to teach through Click. Even if you just do a little bit of Click every single day, keep pushing forwards, nudge, nudge, nudge on the child's core numeracy. For some children, especially those off track, they may well need a whole lesson on Click. They might need more of those lessons more often, with smaller ratios of adult to child to really get in there and sort out any learning gaps that you find. A lot of Big Maths schools like to move on and use the Click framework and use the steps of progression, which we call a progress drive, that sit within the framework. And then even getting into one step and looking at the teacher notes that sit underneath there. They're like a lesson plan. And the small steps of progression that take place even within that step, they all sit there in the Big Maths framework. There are also online resources, online planning. There are lots of features to Big Maths that really support teachers and support schools to raise standards and reduce workload at the same time. One of the things that will continue to happen as you use Big Maths Beat That is that the Click challenges and the Learn It challenges become a real driving force for moving things forward. And eventually, as you plug gaps and get more and more children on track, the teacher is almost back to whole class teaching. And then the Big Maths Beat That challenges become really just a progress check to make sure that all children stay on track as we move them through the curriculum content. And that's really where we want to be.